Hi everyone. In this video, we will cover different career options associated with the cybersecurity field. We have also prepared an exhaustive list comprising career options available, roles and responsibilities, skills and experience, required qualification, etc. from the top jobs posted on job portals such as Craigslist, Indeed, LinkedIn, Naukri, Monster, etc., which we will share once we get 1000 likes on this video, so please like and subscribe to this channel. So here you go. On broad level, we have divided all the job posting that we pulled out from top job portals in 3 segments: entry level or associate level, mid-senior level, and senior level or executive level. For 0 to 5 years of experience, different job opportunities can be Cybersecurity Analyst. This job requires knowledge on security tools like NMAP, NISOS, Metasploit, Wireshark, Burp Suite, OSAP Zap, NetSparker, etc. Security Incident Response Analyst. This job requires knowledge on different phases of incident response plan. Click on the button to understand about the Cybersecurity Incident Response Plan. Cybersecurity Cloud Analyst. This role is a blend of both the worlds, cybersecurity and cloud security. VAPT Analyst. This role is more into the vulnerability assessment and penetration testing. Cybersecurity SOX Analyst. This job is into reporting and tracking KPIs relating to SOX compliance and control effectiveness and any other issues relating to SOX compliance. For 5 to 12 years of experience. Cybersecurity Consultant. This job requires you to be expert in ethical and vulnerability management, VAPT application security, including mobile application, forensic. Staff Cybersecurity Architect. This job requires you to define strategy and technology roadmap for the cloud and customer solutions cybersecurity programs. Senior Cybersecurity Engineer, IDS, IPS Security. This job requires you to develop innovation solutions to protect the brand, networks, assets, and products by implementing state-of-the-art detection, prevention, and response capabilities and engage in technical design of solutions based on use cases and business requirements. Lead Cybersecurity. This job requires you to develop a global cybersecurity strategy in partnership with the business, aligned with the organization's cybersecurity strategy. Security Researcher. This job requires you to have a proven ability to translate insights into business recommendations, excellent problem-solving skills, fast learner, self-motivated to take initiatives with focus on achieving results in timely manner. Cybersecurity Pre-Sales. This job requires you responding to RFPs, RFIs, RFQs, as part of pre-sales process. So you need good knowledge on cloud security, perimeter security, FW, IPS, VPN, endpoint security, antivirus, malware, content and data security, proxy, URL filtering, email security, DLP, data privacy, security event and information management toolset. Specialist Cyber Forensics. This job requires you to conduct forensic investigations and analysis in support of cyber incidents that are reported, provide evidence, perform data collection, documentation, and structured analysis of forensic data and present the findings to business user. Click on the button if you want to know more about cybersecurity digital forensics. For 12 onwards years of experience, Cybersecurity Lead. Here you must lead security practice area during build and transition and transformation, T&T activities, etc. Senior SIM Engineer. Here you must manage the process improvement program for SOC processes and serve as an incident manager for the SOC, along with the other collateral responsibilities. Cybersecurity Specialist. Threat Modeling Cybersecurity Standards Encryption Methods. This job requires you be proficient with any of the cybersecurity standards, like ISO 27001/2, NERC, NIST, ISO 15408, ANSI/IEC 62443, GDPR, HIPAA, ISO/IEC 27032. Programming experiences in any one or more languages. Hands-on experience with any of the encryption. IPSEC, AES, GRE, IKE, MD5, SHA, 3DES. Cryptographic standards, communication protocols, security standards, and vulnerabilities. Cybersecurity Manager. This job requires experience in information security, risk management, infrastructure security, and compliance and experience of security operations management experience, leading a security team of SOC analysts. IPS Manager Cybersecurity. This job requires strong background in security operations and security systems management and experts' understanding of common IPS, IDS architecture, principles, operations, and controls. Lead cybersecurity, identity, and access management. This job requires to have a knowledge of NT and Active Directory, understanding of operations processes, for example, incident management, change management, SLAs, etc. Intermediate PowerShell skills along with Active Directory module experience. Comment and tell us what career option you aspire for.